Today we're gonna be making slime. And we're gonna be using, what's that name? No, this. Contact solution and safe. And this thingy, what is it called? Mommy?
You know, Mommy.
Safe baby detergent?
Yes.
It's only for the baby clothes though.
So it's safe, yes.
Yeah, it's safe for slime.
What are you drinking, girls?
Tea. Tea only.
Green tea or
Green tea.
red tea?
I think it's green tea.
It's green tea.
Okay, so
Which color you
we
chose?
have I have pink, green, and yellow.
Mm-hmm.
And I think I'd go for yellow.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna put these there.
Mm-hmm.
How about you, Loubna? So I have blue. This is a gold. This is another gold, but it's with clear glue.
Mm-hmm.
And I think I'm gonna pick this one.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, let's start. So first thing, we're gonna open our glues. Ooh, looks nice. Ugh. Oh. When I'm done, I can show you guys. It won't come out. It's so hard. Oh my god. Oh god. So far, I only did this much. And look how much I have. Wait, I think I need to pop. Oh, because. Oh god, this is so hard. I know. I got some. You know, sometimes bottles you need when you squeeze them, they kind of are hard bottles, so they don't make the glues don't come out nice very easily. Oh my god, I got it on the side. Get out! Not all of it. I think it's very little. I think that we'll wait 20 minutes and we'll see you again. We'll wait 20 minutes and yeah. So I kind of feel so I finished the yellow slime, the yellow glue, and I want to put the green one, which is mixed yellow and green mixed glue. So I'm gonna start putting it in. And now I'm gonna put ooh, that's so nice. Look. And now I have to pop it. It made a little heart. And this one might look nice. So far, mine is going good. I think if we leave it a little more, then it'll become slime.
In 20 minutes, maybe?
Yeah, maybe. Maybe it'll start getting slime. Yeah. Or you need a measure. If it doesn't become slime, when you think you added enough of this, then that means that you need to leave it, and then it'll become slime. Look. It's not slime yet, but we need to leave it. Because when you leave it, then it becomes a little dry. When it becomes dry, then it will become stretchy. And then you start to use the stick and see like this. Yeah. And then you mix it, and then when it's just like this, and then when it doesn't go up, it cuts. But when you leave it for 20 minutes, it will start to get stretchy and form up. And then even if it didn't, because after 20 minutes it was a little sticky, maybe tomorrow it'll become not that sticky. That's the opposite one. There we go. We're done. Now I think I'm just gonna get all the slimes that came on the other side. And like this. Guys, look at my slime. Do you think I should still mix it for a few minutes? I really don't know if it will form or not. I hope it will. I just felt I need one more color, so I have this beigey thingy color. What is it color? Like beige. It's an orangey pinkish. Oh, it's so nice. Pretty, guys.
Ooh, I like the color.
I don't know if it would look in my slime. Go. Mix. Mix in. Mix. Just working it to. I'm still working on the nice. Oh God. It won't form. But it has to form. Just have to mix it for a bit. It's still like a glue quantity though. You need to get. Oh my God. It's okay. Nothing happens around. We're gonna keep it for 20 minutes and then check on it. My color. Look at my color, guys. Maybe. No.
Do you want to take from the from my colors?
Yeah. Mine needs to. So guys, we actually had to add a bit of gold. Mine. And now I have to mix it. Mix. So guys, I put the color. I put in another color.
Which is what?
Which is red.
Mm-hmm.
And it becomes a beautiful color. And so far, I think it looks nice.
I think you need to add some detergent.
Some detergent, very little. And what
do you think of mine?
You need to have a stick to use it.
And what do you think of my slime, guys?
Because it'll make them best. Oh. I think I put a little enough. I'm gonna start mixing
again.
A little. To start with, I'm gonna put a little. I'm just gonna keep mixing. Mine just is turning like in bubbles or something. It's not turning into slime. Needs a little more. Maybe. It's not turning into slime. Hi guys. We left our slime overnight. And if you watched our video before that, we did a slime, and it was red, and this is the same, but we had to put our previous slimes, and they both are different textures. So hers, whoa, hers is kind of not that much sticky, and mine is kind of, let me get some of you. There. Okay, and you know, as of you can see the color. Look, you see the color. It's kind of a reddish color and it has nice sparkles.
And mine is a glittery beige color.
And so they
Lick it.
And you know that sometimes when your slime is kind of icky, you know, it's kind of not that, like, it's itchy. I'm just gonna tell you like this, or when you do this and you feel like, when you use your hands and you feel like it's
So sticky?
yeah, when you feel it's so sticky, you add tissue paper so you can see it.
Oh my god.
So there some tissues, the tissue paper makes it not sticky.
Okay.
So
I made a
a
star.
long time ago, that was not like that. Wow. So, what do you think? So what do you think about the color? This color, beige. I don't know.
Beige is
I don't see my
sparkles.
color a lot.
I
Comment
have
down
a
below
beige.
what color is this, because I can't know. I don't understand what color is this when I add the previous slime. Kind of looks like a red, but I don't know. So comment down below, and what should we do? Bye guys, and comment down below if you think we should do another slime like these, and what is it called? Hit the like button.
Hit the like button and subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell. Bye.
Bye.